In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change order of questions in Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward and will help you organize your forms or quizzes more effectively. A well-structured survey improves the overall response rate and clarity for your audience, making it a crucial skill to master. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. As the page loads, you will see the Microsoft Forms site appear in your search results. It is important to ensure you are on the official Microsoft site to avoid any security risks. You will recognize the site by its clean layout and the Microsoft logo. Once you find it, click on the link. This action sets the stage for you to access your forms, so take your time to make sure you are on the right page. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You may need to enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you are using a work or school account, it's essential to provide the correct credentials. Logging in successfully allows you to access your forms securely. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you are using the correct login information. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard, where all your forms are conveniently listed. After logging in, open your existing form or quiz. You will see a list of forms you have created or edited previously. Click on the specific form you wish to modify. It is important to choose the right form because changes can only be made to the selected one. This step ensures that you are working in the correct context and that all edits are relevant to the form you intend to update. You will notice that the form loads, displaying all your questions and settings ready for your edits. Now click directly on the question card you want to move to enter edit mode. Each question appears as a distinct card that you can click on. When you select the question, it highlights, indicating that you are now in edit mode for that specific question. This is a crucial step because it allows you to modify the question's position accurately. You will see that the options for editing become visible, which reassures you that you are on the right track. Look at the top right corner of that question block. You will see an up arrow and a down arrow. These arrows are your tools for rearranging the questions. The up arrow allows you to shift the question higher in the order, while the down arrow moves it lower. Understanding this layout matters because it provides a visual cue about how to adjust the order, making the process intuitive and user-friendly. Next, click the up arrow to move the question one slot higher, or the down arrow to shift it one slot lower. Each click will immediately reposition the question, allowing you to see the changes in real time. This instant feedback is helpful as it confirms that your adjustments are taking effect. You can keep clicking until the question is in the desired position. Repeat this until the question is in your preferred position. You can move multiple questions as needed, ensuring every aspect of your form is just how you want it. This flexibility is important because it allows you to create a logical flow for respondents, enhancing their experience. Once you have made all your adjustments, you can feel confident that your form is now structured effectively. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to change the order of questions in Microsoft Forms. This skill not only enhances your forms but also improves user engagement and response rates. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!